Residents get in and out of bed every day, sometimes many times a day. It is important to make sure they do it in a safe way to protect their spines from fractures, especially if they have osteoporosis or have had broken bones in the past. Remember to give the resident slow, simple, and clear instructions so they can cooperate the best they can. Being resistive to care is often from pain or not understanding. Have the resident roll onto their side like a log. Get the resident to push with their arms into a seated position if they can take direction. Don't pull them up into sitting or have the resident sit straight up from lying down on their back. It can sometimes put too much pressure on the bones of the back and they can break. It can be dangerous for your back too. Make sure the resident can put their feet flat on the floor, sitting at the edge of the bed. Encourage them to sit up tall. When helping them, it is really important to decide if it is safe to do so by yourself, or if you need help of a coworker to do it safely. To get back into bed, reverse the steps. Put the head of the bed down as flat as it can go or as flat as the resident can tolerate. Make sure you keep your back safe too by bending at your hip and knees rather than your back. You may need to help them to get their legs up onto the edge of the bed. Be careful to support their head and neck so they don't hit their head or injure their neck. For more information, visit us online at osteoporosis.ca.